Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today we are diving into the world of web vulnerability scanning using Kali Linux. And to make it real, we'll be testing against a legal, intentionally vulnerable site called testphp.web.com. Or you can use Metaxplorable if you'd like. So Kali Linux come back with powerful scanning tools. In this video, we'll explore a few of them. We're gonna try to do Nmap, Nikto, WhatWeb, etc. Alright, let's go ahead and just go to our applications and then let's see. We can actually open the terminal and then we're gonna start typing. We can go type Nmap, that's SV, test PHP for web.com. And so let me make sure that I do it right. So what you can do, like nmap-h can tell you what comment should you type. So I think I made a typo from the beginning because the s is not caps. So what I can do, I can just go back and then make sure that this is small s and hit enter. So now this is start scanning, and then we can just let it go like this. And then once the scan is done, what we are going to do, we're gonna try to just use WhatWeb, WhatWeb, which is like a web fingerprinting. So let's just give it some time. Oh yeah, this is done already. As you can see here, just let me see if it's done. Yeah, the scan is complete. Give you some information, the print ports, etc. So now let's just try WhatWeb. Let me see if it is installed. WhatWeb-h. Yeah, it's already installed. Yeah. All right, let's just go ahead and just give it a try. To just do anything about WhatWeb, you just type WhatWeb and then the keywords after it. All right. So what we are going to try to do, we're gonna just try to see some information about the server. So let's just see what web, and then the website that we're gonna scan, which is test php.web.com. As you can see here, this gives us a lot of information about the state. This is OK 200. Bunch of information about that server. All right, so now the next thing that we are going to do now, we are going to just try Nikto. Let's just let's see if there are any like vulnerability, like including like exposed admin panels or outdated Apache module. So let's just go ahead and try again. So what I'm going to do, sorry. So I can just press the up arrow and then change this to Nikto and hit enter. Yeah, give me 1 second. I don't know. Let me see if I'm making a typo. That's in Nikto. Yeah, -h. And hit enter. There we go. As you can see, we start just having information about the server, the version, etc., and a bunch of other information. Now we have, if I were to keep trying Kali Linux tool, so this video will be so long. So what I want you to do, you can go ahead and just go ahead and just try to explore, on your own, some Kali Linux tools and features, and you can just keep going on your own. And then While this is just loading, I can actually do, I can actually just okay, it's done. So because I was going to cancel it, so you can see, it just give you much more information about what the vulnerabilities are, and then some resources for you to follow. Actually, my favorite scanning tools is Nikto, but if you have your own favorite, please make sure that you add them into the comment section. Now, that's all that I have for you for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy learning.